Here comes Booba. And here comes Booba's friend.
Welcome, Booba, to my magic show. Please enjoy the great magic trick. Look what I got. This is not just a regular tissue. It's a magic tissue. Look, watch closely. Oh! The spoon, the magic spoon is levitating. Just like this.
How exciting! A flying spoon?
Yes. So, do you want to know how I did it?
Ooh, yes, please.
Okay, then watch closely. Grab a fork and a spoon, insert the end of the spoon into the fork's prongs, and then, with one hand, take the side of the tissue and a fork, and with the other hand, take the other side of the tissue, and then reveal the spoon and move it with your fingers, just like this. Ooh. Wanna try? Okay, then here you are.
Now it's Booba's turn to try the trick. Are you ready, Booba? Oops.
Well, that's okay. I can help you. Just 1 second. Just like this. Let me do it for you. Right there. You take one side with your one hand. And the other side like this. Yeah.
Booba is going to have another go.
Bravo!
Yes! Well done, Booba.
Oh! It's impossible.
But look, Booba is doing it very well.
Wow! Booba, you're a real magician. Wow! How did you do that?
Yes! Show us how you did it, Booba.
Huh? Wait. Where did it go? Booba, good job.
What a great magic trick. Let's celebrate. Bye-bye, everyone. See you next time. Booba is waiting for his friend to arrive. What's that, Booba? Oh, it's a magnifying glass.
Booba, there you are.
Here's Booba's friend.
Oh, my shoelaces have come undone. They're so annoying. You're so lucky you don't have shoelaces. Really? No, I don't know how to tie these. Do you know? Me neither. But I cannot run around with these shoelaces undone. Oh, I know. Maybe I should just take them off. Yeah, like that. I can run like a car. Oh, the ball. Like that. I'm a basketball player.
Does the shoe look bigger, Booba?
Safe. Oh, whoa. Put it right there.
You should really wear your shoes or your feet will get cold.
My feet are getting cold right now. Oh no, maybe I should just put my shoes back on. Thank you, Booba.
That's a good idea.
Like that. But I still don't know how to tie my shoelaces.
It's easy when you know how. Why don't you practice?
Oh, is that your shoe? It's enormous. Wow. Booba, do you see any instructions? Oh, yeah. Okay. Let me see.
I don't think Booba wants to look at the instructions.
Silly Booba. Okay, now I know where to start. Let's do it properly. Here, and it goes under. Yeah, just like that. You take this lace, and I'll take the other one. Okay, let's start.
Take one lace in each hand. Cross them over each other to make an X. Take the bottom lace, pull it over the top lace and through the hole. Pull both laces tight to make a knot.
Okay, now make bunny ears.
Hold each lace and make a loop on each side, like bunny ears. Cross one bunny ear over the other to make another X. Take the bottom bunny ear, pull it over the top bunny ear and through the hole. Pull the loops tight to finish.
Whoa!
You did it!
Cool! Now I know how to do it. Okay, let's try. Like this, two bunny ears. Now we'll tie them
You've
together.
learned how to tie shoelaces.
Well done! Wow! Cool! You rock, Booba.
Well done. Time to celebrate. Bye-bye, everyone. See you next time. It's Booba.
Oh, hi, Booba. Ooh, what's in the box? How to open it? Hey! Booba, let me see.
Don't look in the box yet.
All right, then give me a clue, Booba. You're hopping like a rabbit. Is it a toy bunny? All right, then I need another clue, Booba. Is it a pair of shoes? Ah, I know. That's a pair of trainers, right? I need another clue. Okay, I'm here.
Another clue?
How to... Oh, it wasn't me. It
No
wasn't me.
peeking.
Oh, I know these. You know, I can jump 10 times in a row. Let me just show you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm jumping up and down just like a... Whoa. So, first I thought it was a bunny toy because you were hopping like a rabbit. And then I thought it was a pair of trainers because you were playing Keepy Happy. And now I'm jumping just like a ball. Am I right? Yay, let's see.
Is he right?
Yay, I was right, it's a ball.
Whoa, it really is a ball. Well done. Now you can play with it.
Catch it. Catch it. Wanna be a goalkeeper?
Yeah.
Okay, so 1, 2, 3, and...
You make a great team. Let's celebrate. Bye-bye, everyone. See you next time.